to stop rolling on the ground and staying on the ground. And I hope you're going to get up. Yes, get up. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, Moments with Miss M. I'm elated to be here with you again. So today I'm out here to tell you that, hey girl, get up. You've rolled over a lot of times, and I think it's time for you to get up. Yes, you need to get up. It's not enough to know better, but it's rather better to do what you know. Yes, like if I said it right. So what I want to say today is, like, get out of that situationship, get out of that relationship, get out of spending that money which you're not supposed to be spending, get out from the place of not being able to get yourself skillful, get out from the place of self-hate, get out from the place of you being sick but rather trying to help people get their healing. Like, you've stayed down there for so long. Like I said in the last video, it's not a matter of how much you've fallen, but how often or how well you stand each time you fall. So I'm out here to talk to you. Hey girl, get up. I know there's this situationship or relationship that is keeping you right down there, and it's difficult most at times to start again. So there's this pain which has kept us in that place. There's this pain which we cannot get away from, this pain which we've carried, which has changed a lot from us, or a lot of the way we see things, our perspective in life. And I know the most difficult thing is starting all over again. Like, you're afraid that if you venture into this new project, into this new relationship, into this new situationship, into this new job, into this new whatever it is it going to be better off than where you are right now? The thing is, you know where you're supposed to be, but you don't know how to get out from where you are presently, and you don't even know if getting out is the best option. You even do not know if you get out from where you are presently, if you're going to get to a better place. I know there's a lot of mixed feelings in our head, but girl, get up. That always help us orchestrated for you. Yes, they always help us. There's someone out there praying for you. There's someone out there talking to you. Like I'm talking to you right now. Yes, there are people out there who are orchestrated to help you. So don't stay where you are. Hello? Don't stay where you are. Just get up from where you are. And sometimes we fail to see that we are sick. We rather concentrate on healing the other people without knowing that, hey, I myself need help. I myself need this healing. So as much as you're trying to help someone to get up from where you are. So I hope this video helps someone to stop rolling on the ground and staying on the ground, and I hope you're going to get up. Yes, get up. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. It's nice being with you, and don't forget to subscribe and of course like, share. It's free, and comment below. Tell me what you want us to talk about. Share with me. Thank you. Bye bye.